Welcome to Like Health. Have you ever wondered what could happen if you drank okra water for just 10 days? Today, we're diving into an incredible journey that many people swear has changed their lives. From helping your body stay naturally hydrated to supporting smoother digestion, okra water might offer more than you expect. Some say it helps maintain healthier blood sugar levels, while others love its calming effect on inflammation. Its natural fiber may support gentle detoxification, and its antioxidants can give your skin a fresh, healthy glow. Many also notice a boost in their overall energy, along with better gut comfort throughout the day. But remember, everyone's body is different, and this video is for educational purposes, not medical advice. If you're excited to discover what 10 days of okra water might do, don't forget to drop a like to support the video. Benefit number 1. Healthy blood sugar support. Okra water is rich in soothing soluble fiber that may help slow the way sugar moves through the body. Many people say they feel more steady energy throughout the day after drinking it. The natural gel-like texture of okra plays a big role in this gentle effect. It supports a calmer response to meals without overwhelming the system. Some describe feeling fewer midday crashes and more balanced focus. It's a natural addition that fits easily into any morning routine. Not a medical treatment, but a simple habit with noticeable daily comfort. A calm, balanced start for your body every single day. Benefit number 2. Better digestion and gut ease. Okra water contains a soothing natural mucilage that helps things move smoothly. People who drink it often notice less bloating and heaviness after meals. Its gentle, cooling texture is especially appreciated by sensitive stomachs. Hydration enhances digestion, and okra water delivers both at once. It helps your gut feel more relaxed and comfortable throughout the day. Fans of this drink often describe a light stomach feeling. It's a natural support tool for everyday digestive wellness. Simple, calming, and easy for the body to handle. Benefit number 3. Reduced feelings of inflammation. Okra is naturally packed with plant antioxidants like quercetin and flavonoids. These compounds may help your body deal with daily oxidative stress. Some people say their joints feel more comfortable with regular drinking. It's not a cure, but it gently supports the body's natural balance. The nutrients work quietly behind the scenes to promote ease. Over time, this may create a feeling of lightness and flexibility. It's a natural, soothing addition to a wellness routine. A small sip that brings a lot of calm. Benefit number 4. Natural hydration boost. Okra water isn't just water, it comes with bonus minerals your body loves. Potassium, magnesium, and calcium help support hydration and muscle function. Many people feel more refreshed after adding it to their morning. The mineral content makes it a gentle, plant-based electrolyte drink. It's ideal for hot days or after light physical activity. Some even describe it as a clean energy kind of refreshment. Hydration plus minerals equals calm, steady vitality. A simple drink that fuels your day with ease. Benefit number 5. Skin glow and freshness. Antioxidants in okra may help your skin cope with everyday environmental stress. People often report a natural glow after consistently drinking it. Its hydration effect is a major reason for the improved look and feel. Vitamin C in okra adds an extra layer of support for brighter skin. Some notice a smoother texture and a fresher appearance overall. Consistency is key, and 10 days can make a gentle difference. It's a beauty boost that begins from the inside out. A refreshing ritual for a more radiant you. Benefit number 6. Gentle daily detox support. Okra's natural fiber helps the body sweep out waste more comfortably. This creates a lighter, cleaner digestive feeling for many people. It's not a harsh detox, just a gentle daily cleanse. Fans of okra water often describe feeling unclogged and refreshed. Drinking it in the morning enhances this cleansing sensation. It supports a healthy rhythm for your digestive system. The effect is subtle but surprisingly rejuvenating. A fresh internal reset with every glass. Benefit number 7. Boost in daily energy. Better digestion often leads to better natural energy flow. Okra water may help steady how your body uses fuel throughout the day. People frequently say they feel more awake and mentally present. The hydration factor helps reduce sluggishness and dryness-related fatigue. Plant minerals support calm but steady physical energy. Some feel lighter after meals, instead of weighed down. It's a clean, natural way to uplift your day without stimulants. A refreshing boost that lasts. Benefit number 8. Heart-friendly nutrient support. Okra's natural fiber is known to support overall cardiovascular wellness. Its antioxidants help protect cells from everyday wear and tear. Many people feel healthier and more balanced after making it a habit. Potassium plays a role in supporting normal blood pressure levels. Together, these nutrients make okra a heart-supportive choice. It's a simple drink with long-term wellness potential. Not a replacement for medical care, just a supportive daily ritual. A small habit that nurtures your heart over time. Before you finish this video, here's the truth everyone wants to know. Is drinking okra water for 10 days actually worth it? The honest answer is this. Okra water isn't a magic cure, but many people genuinely feel lighter, more energized, and more balanced after adding it to their routine. Its natural fiber, antioxidants, and hydration benefits can support digestion, skin health, and overall comfort in simple, gentle ways. And the best part? It's easy, affordable, and safe for most people when used responsibly. Just remember, every body is different, so listen to yours, start slowly, and enjoy the natural benefits as they build over time. If you decide to try the 10-day okra water journey, pay attention to how you feel. Results are personal, and that's what makes the experience meaningful. And if you're excited to explore more natural wellness tips like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you never miss a new video. To make okra water, start by choosing 3 to 5 fresh okra pods and rinsing them well under clean water. Slice off the tips, then cut each pod lengthwise or into small pieces to help release the natural gel and nutrients. Place the sliced okra in a glass jar or cup and fill it with 1 to 2 cups of room temperature water. Cover the container and let it soak overnight, or for at least 8 hours, to allow the mucilage to infuse into the water. In the morning, strain the mixture and remove the okra pieces. You'll be left with a slightly thick, nutrient-rich drink. Most people prefer drinking it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for better absorption and digestive support. If the texture is too thick, you can dilute it with more water or add a squeeze of lemon for flavor. Drink it consistently for several days to notice its gentle benefits, and remember that results vary from person to person. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new